The National Weather Service in Medford, Oregon, has issued a flood warning for the following rivers in Oregon: Coquille River at Coquille affecting Coos County. For the Coquille River, including the city of Coquille, moderate flooding is in the forecast from late tonight to early Tuesday afternoon. At 21.0 feet, the Coquille River is at flood stage. Expect flooding of farmland and low-lying areas throughout the floodplain along the Coquille River. At 23.0 feet, some farm buildings may be threatened and roads covered in low areas by rising water. Expect widespread flooding throughout the Coquille River floodplain. At 3:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday, the stage was 19.7 feet. Bankful stage is 20.0 feet. The river is near Bankful and will rise to flood stage near 21.0 feet late tonight around 3 to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and peak at 21.3 feet by around 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday. It is forecast to fall below flood stage by 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday, then remain between 20 and 21 feet before rising above flood stage again by around noon on Sunday. The river is forecast to peak with a maximum value of 23.3 feet Monday morning, then gradually fall to below flood stage again sometime Tuesday.